Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions for error 1722 when installing Microsoft WSC 3.0 runtime. And now, let's get started. The first solution involves checking the status of the Windows installer service. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Services. Select the Services application to open it. Scroll down the list until you find the Windows installer service. Right-click on this service and select Start. If this does not resolve the issue, right-click on the service again, select Properties, and ensure that the startup type is set to Manual. Then, click the Start button. If the problem persists, the next step is to re-register the Windows installer. You will need to execute two commands. First, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Type the command msiexec/unregister and press OK. Next, open the Run dialog box again using the Windows key and R. This time, type the command msiexec/regserver and press OK. These steps should help resolve the problem for many users. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.